Hello guys, how you guys on YouTube? Today we got a pretty old piece of technology. It's a adapter for old school televisions and also old school radios for antenna and also cable. In case if you had a cable service to your old style TVs, if you wanted to watch TV that way, or if you had your old style antennas and you want to listen to your radio as well. Now, what this is, it's a very old adapter here, guys. This was done by Radio Shack, I think, a long time ago, but you don't make these anymore. I still actually hold on to it because sometimes I will actually use it for my Toshiba receiver stereo radio for FM or AM bands and listening to certain types of stations. Here you guys can see this is a female coax connector here, and there you guys can see it goes from big to a flex to a very thin copper wire right here. But you guys can see it has these little U shape little things here where you can actually attach these to terminals, screws, and stuff like that. And it's crimped and it's also soldered directly onto the wires. Now, this is a very high-end piece of older technology here. We don't use these anymore because most model TVs and radios will actually have the female coax adapter already built into it. That's what this was years ago for older devices. Very cool. It's a very nice device. I don't use it, like I said, because I modded my radio a couple years back, and I put a BCN connector on the back of it for I can use different type of antennas. Now, the biggest problem with this years ago is you will put a lot of strain on these cables here, and these cables can actually crack or break. But what do I mean about very old TVs and old radios? I'm talking about the old style here, guys, before cable even was invented here, guys. I was talking about the old screw terminals, and that's what this adapter was made typically for. You'll put this on the back of your television or your back of your radio, and you'll put your input here, your cable or antenna if you want to use that. But you guys can see. Now you guys can see the name though. But the name is right there. It's a very interesting project and a very interesting unit. Now, why do I don't use this anymore? Because I just don't need the extra strain on my radio or so on this. Now, I didn't need to mod the radio. I could have just used this, and it would have worked a lot better. But you have this piece of hardware hanging off on your radio. And sometimes the screw connectors will come loose because these don't tighten up very easily, and this just sits there and hang with the heavy type of cable. You guys can see. I just had this very old piece of coax cable here. You guys can see that. You just screw this in, and it will be your signal will be going through the signal, and the ground will be going to the ground, and it'll send the signal directly to your TV or your radio if you want to be able to listen to certain things on your radio and certain things on your TV by watching cable television. But that's before all this newer technology came out and everything works just fine, because most TVs nowadays have everything all built into it. This adapter is really hard to find, and you really don't make these anymore, actually. I don't know what company made this and where I can get more of these, because if I decide to use the screw-on connectors on the back, I only have one of these because, you know, how a radio is now. Older style radios will actually have two terminals for FM and for AM. This is only one. But yes, that's how this little guy works. It actually has the signal wire goes in the middle, and the ground goes on the outside. And this just goes through this little soft wire, really flex wire here, you guys can see. And it goes through these little U-shaped pieces of metal. But that's about it. I don't know a whole lot about this little guy. I think it was very interesting to explain to you guys what it was. Maybe you guys know what it is, maybe you guys don't know what it is. But that's what I think I call it, and that's what I would call it for auto TVs and videos. Alright guys, if you are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys. Hopefully see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching today's vlog.